You might have seen this dish before at Chinese restaurants. Sichuan-style dandan noodles. In the first part of this dandan noodle special, we went to Sichuan and found out that some noodles marketed as Sichuan dandan noodles are in fact not Sichuan style at all.
Like here, I think the peanut sauce is the main thing, like makes up most of the flavor. Yeah, whereas the Sichuan ones are more like spicy and nummy and salty.
In Chengdu, dandan noodles come in tiny bowls. They're dry and don't have that goopy peanut sauce in it. So who came up with the not Sichuan style dandan noodles?
Tôi叫Lily Yeung 楊麗麗啦，咁係永麗園第3代嘅負責人。
The shop says is the inventor of this soupy and nutty iteration of dandan noodles.
咁就創辦其實由我爺爺同嫲嫲嗰陣時開始經營嘅，就以前嚟講係1947年啦，而家今年73年啦。
Lily's grandpa Yeung was a chef in the imperial court of the Qing dynasty. When the emperor was overthrown, he and his family fled to Hong Kong.
以前係偷渡嚟香港咧，咁其實就係當然都窮困啦，咁係為咗糊口啦，咁佢就識咗一個佢有個朋友應該話係四川人嚟嘅，咁就機緣巧合之下咧，佢個朋友就揾我爺爺去幫手，咁嗰個朋友係四川人，咁佢就唔識煮嘢食。咁所以就啱啱同我爺爺嗰陣時講，佢個師傅走咗啊，就揾我爺爺去不如去我爺爺負責去煮嘢啦咁。
So Yeung started cooking Sichuan food. One of the dishes was dandan noodles, but he didn't really stick to the original recipe, which, if you recall, requires
它的面的话有特制的面，高筋面粉，加上我们的蛋清，然后它的脆臊必须要用猪的前夹肉，这样的肉宰成肉末，然后再进行翻炒，炒出来的臊子是非常的脆香甜的，吃起来口感非常的舒服。
Instead, he rebelliously added soup to his dandan noodles.
我哋嘅祖先咧其實係御廚啦，咁就識得去將一啲係點樣個秘方去做一個湯出嚟，因為當時都係要俾宮中嘅皇帝食噶嘛。個麵嗱，首先佢個湯本身係一個係鮮甜嗰個湯底啦，咁入邊有好多唔同嘅配料嘅，咁就都有啲麻醬花生醬嗰個香味啊，香啦，因為有麻醬咧，其實好香咯。
And compared to the Sichuan version, which typically has spicy chili oil, his version was much milder because people in Hong Kong preferred light flavors.
咁你選擇又可以揀辣或者唔辣啦，但係我自己個人中意食辣就梗係有啲辣少少刺激下咁啦。
And finally, he changed the type of noodles. He used a mix of eggs, soft and hard flours.
咁跟住調料又要靚啦，同埋個麵都要係麵質要好咯。咁我哋個麵咧就係又爽同埋滑係兼備嘅。
And since Grandpa Yeung, the family hasn't changed the recipe.
咁就好多客人都會中意喎。以我所知嘅嗰陣時係片場嘅時候，好多明星噶嘛，都會係好中意食呢種擔擔麵咯。係。
Over time, the soupy nutty version of dandan noodles became so popular that it was adopted by other Chinese restaurants around the world. Sometimes it's even mistakenly labeled as Sichuan dandan noodles.
咁我去四川食過，我又覺得比較乾身啲，佢其實係撈麵嘅，咁就有啲宜賓芽菜啊，有少少。好似有少少肉粒咁樣咯，好多客人係特登為咗碗我哋碗擔擔麵過嚟食嘅，咁亦都有時會同客人傾起偈啦。有啲客人我哋係經營3代啦，原來係有啲客人都係3代嘅，佢由細個嗰陣時已經食到後尾仔女又帶仔女嚟食，到而家係帶孫仔女嚟食，係都會咁咯。
So if you like your dandan noodles dry and spicy, the authentic Sichuan style is the one for you. But if you like them soupier, nuttier, and not so spicy, you should order the Hong Kong version. So which one do you prefer? The original or the renegade?